Violent clashes between ABVP and left students in JNU. Many students injured after a violent brawl broke out in the campus late last night. Several students were left injured and rushed to the hospital. These are the visuals that we have brought for you of the brawl which broke out in JNU late last night. Several students were apparently injured as this scuffle that ensued gradually turned more violent. Let me go across to my colleague Alok for more on this. Alok, what exactly are the details? What was this gathering late last night and what led to this brawl?
See, Tanma, the violence in Jawaharlal Nehru University is not new and not common, not new right now, what we can say, because we have seen in the past also that the students from both the parties kept fighting on various issues. Yesterday, there was a meeting held by ABVP students, and they were doing a meeting at some particular place. It's as far as the because right now it's a primary information, and we are still gathering details that what kind of meeting it was. But there was some meeting that they wanted to hold at that particular place, but it was objected by the left-wing students. Remember, at the JNU, the ruling, at the JNU, the rule of the left-wingers are there. So at that point in time, they gathered over there, and first the argument started, and then later it turned into the scuffle. So right now, what we are learning, around a dozen of students from both the sides have been injured. Some of them were taken to the hospital, but they all got discharged. None of them have got critical injuries. So far, the details what we got, but we are trying to get details as what exactly the reason that both the students from both the parties, why they indulge into this kind of a scuffle. Police said that they have got the complaints from the university authorities, and they are conducting all the inquiries related to the matter. Back to you.
Right, that was my second question, Alok, that any action being taken by the police yet on this matter, any complaint which has been given to them?
See, Tanima, Jawaharlal Nehru University administration have given a complaint to the local police station, Vasant Kunj North. The police team, in fact, yesterday went inside the campus and they started the investigation. As of now, they have not detained or arrested anybody, but they have now started the investigation, and they are trying to ascertain under what circumstances the students indulge into this kind of fight. Back to you.
Right, Alok, will of course also ask you to get more details on this as we track this story with you closely. Thank you so much for joining us with that.